YouTube, what is y'all doing? So today we got the new part in. Got the Megan Racing exhaust to fix the GS. Of course, I already opened it up, made sure the right part was in there. It's stainless steel. You also got some flange gaskets and some bolts, some other goodies. I gotta mount it to that thing over there. So I'm probably just gonna sit it right here in the floor and then start mounting it all together, and then just, when I get it together, put it under the GS, put everything back together and see how it sounds, make sure everything is working like it should. It should be the fix. I'm hoping that it works out. But let's get into it. Let's make it happen. Alright, y'all, so I think I got this about mounted up. The only thing that I hate is that I'm mounting this stainless steel pipe into this old rusty crap. So assuming I decide to keep this car, I'm probably gonna end up replacing this whole exhaust here. But right now the important thing is to just get everything working. So I'm gonna just start this back on here and then see how it sounds, see what it does. Should work. I ended up not throwing this gasket on here because it wouldn't fit. I don't know, maybe this is supposed to be ran with the aftermarket pipes or something like that. I don't know, it didn't work for me, so I got rid of it, so I'm not using it. And this down pipe actually has a piece that goes inside of here, so it should be good. If it starts like giving me problems, I'll just try and like either find another gasket or use this one. But yeah, that should work. Everything is all tight. It's heavy. So I don't know, I might get my brother to help me put this on, my little brother, since I don't think he has to work today. I don't know. So yeah, now I need to go get the car, back it in here, and try and get this thing mounted back up to the vehicle. I think it's only 2 bolts. Oh, it might be more because I took those hangers out because they were just so hard to pull off. So I'm gonna probably have to bolt that back up. It shouldn't be anything too hard. I took the pipes off in less than, I want to say 30 minutes when I took this off originally. So I'm gonna do a cold start without the exhaust on there so y'all can hear what it sounds like. A lot of people like to hear straight pipe cars. To me, it sounds like a whole lot of crap, but. All right, y'all. I hope y'all got that cold start. If I didn't, I apologize. So I'm gonna get this thing jacked up and start putting that exhaust on there. All right, y'all. So I backed the car in kind of like an idiot. I need to pull it in facing this way. So I'm gonna redo this. I'm gonna piss my neighbors off turning this car on and off. If y'all looking at this video, neighbors, I'm sorry. Alright, just trying to get this thing running right. Once I put this on here, y'all won't hear this no more.
2,000 years later.
right, y'all, I got everything bolted up. Crank it up and see how it sounds. Give it some gas. All right, so it sounds good. I'm gonna put it back on the ground and everything, get all this stuff moved out the way and take it for a test drive. They say when you get a car running like this is when you start really seeing everything that's wrong with it. So I'm anticipating there's a lot wrong with this car. I'm hoping it ain't, but we got power. This feels really good, guys. Very aesthetic. Definitely gonna have to visit the front end. It's drivable, it just could feel better. But this is the wheel straight. It's not pulling. It's almost reminiscent of my Avalon that I still somewhat have. Remember when I couldn't pull up hills? I apologize if y'all can't hear me that well either. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get back to the house and we'll do an overview, see what else is up. Alright guys, I took her for a rip. Everything's good. I'm probably gonna end this video right here. I gotta quit saying so much. But yeah, everything appears to be good. One of the tires might be off balance. That would make sense because the tires were all flat when I got it. So I drove it around. I probably just went like 25 miles in total. No check engine light. The VSC light's still on, but all the power's here. It's pretty much drivable at this point. I feel pretty comfortable driving it, I guess. The only thing is now I need to figure out what's next. I want y'all to let me know in the comments what y'all think I should do with this car. In a later video, I'm gonna break down the prices and what I paid, all the money I put into it, what I got this car for in total. And I'm gonna want some feedback from y'all. So right now, as it stands, the car's running and driving, 198,000 miles on it, no check engine light. Apparently, it appears to have new tires on it. They probably just need to be balanced. But as it stands right now, the car is running and driving. So I'm at a point right now where I could sell the car, I could keep the car, fix it up real good and have a second car. Perhaps do a 2JZ GTE swap for my car heads that know what I'm talking about. I've always wanted to do that. I like the Supra motor. I'm a big Toyota Lexus fan. So what y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think I should do with this car. It's a lot of opportunity for it. I didn't take a loss getting it. I'm very happy with my purchase as of right now. So let me know in the comments again what y'all think. I'm gonna end this video right here. I appreciate all the support that a lot of y'all were giving me as far as continuing with it and working on it. So I got a running and driving Lexus. So yeah, again, let me know in the comments what y'all think. Peace.